this video, we'll go over different script structures and how to make your actions flow through Foxtrot. On the Flow tab on the left-hand side of Foxtrot RPA, you'll find various actions. We have actions that will help you deal with errors in your script. We have if statement actions to help to build logic within your script. And we have many navigation actions in order to help you navigate through your script. Now we have actions that will specifically run tasks that you create or stop tasks that you create. We can exit tasks with actions and then go throughout our script, as in go to the bottom of our script, go to the end, go to the start. So different navigation buttons that will bring you throughout your script. On the very bottom of the flow section, we have set speed and wait, which will allow you to set the speed of your script or build in a hard wait into your script. So we're on our main task here. And if we step through our task, Foxtrot will create the workbook in Excel. In step 3, you will see that we're running a specific task. That task is located on the right-hand side underneath our task panel. Using the run task action, we can go to that specific task and run a different set of actions that are located only within that task. So Foxtrot will enter the task stated and will carry out the list of actions in which our scripter has scripted. Then it will return to our main script in the step right below where the run task action was. So here you'll see Foxtrot does a little loop and we'll return back out to our main script in step 4, which is right underneath our run task action. Foxtrot will then go through a series of steps, looping through our if statements in order to make a calculated decision on what our data is stating. Here in our if statement, we're saying if the text in our Excel spreadsheet is greater than 50, we want to run a specific task. The else statement is saying if our data is under 50, it's going to run a separate task. So here, seeing that our data is under 50, Foxtrot will go over and navigate to the proper task that we state it to, and we'll do these lists of actions. So in Excel, we will say that that number is under 50, and we will make the date or the text in italic. As we go through the script, our next number is over 50. So when it's over 50, Foxtrot will run the separate task that we have designated for totals that are over 50. When Foxtrot goes to that specific task, notice how the actions are different. It states that it's over 50, and it will highlight the entire field of all the cells. As it goes through the rest of our script, we will look at the other values and use them in order to say whether we're going to make it italic or highlight it in yellow. When Foxtrot gets to the end, it's going to notice that the value is blank, and we'll evaluate it using our if statement and close our workbook and go back to the starting position in the script. So one of these navigation keys will actually take our script and put it all the way back up to step number 1 and start the script all over again. Using these navigation keys is very helpful if you want to, say, run an action over or to go to a specific part of your script. So Foxtrot will continue running, and when it gets to the end, it will close the workbook and then go back to the start. If you'd like information on if statements, you can tune into our previous videos on if statements. So now we're going to replace our go to start action. We'll delete that out of our script. We'll highlight our close workbook action so we can create a step right underneath it. The next step that we're going to put in there is the stop task action. What the stop task action will do is completely stop your Foxtrot script as soon as that position has been reached. Once we add the action in, we'll come down and reset our script and hit play. Foxtrot will go through all the exact same steps, but as soon as that stop task action has been reached, we will get a prompt that says that the script has been stopped. Now that we will take that out, we will try a different flow. We'll go under our flow tab and we'll select our go to end action. What the go to end action is anytime that action is reached within Foxtrot, Foxtrot will take our execution arrow and place it all the way at the very end of our script. So as we play our script, you'll see it run through the list of actions and then say it was finished running one time. Notice that our go to end action will even skip out of the loop and go directly to the end. Now we'll insert a label. When creating a label action, the user can put whatever information they would like to describe the label that they are creating. What the label does is allows you to place a position within Foxtrot that you can move your execution arrow to with a go to label action. So here we will create our label and place that labels places a script that will instruct you to go to relevant cases. This could be returned to a certain point within your script. So we'll click OK, and you'll see the label placed down at position number 18. Now we can use the navigation arrows on the right to place our label wherever we would like to go to within our script. So under flow, we will choose go to label, and then you have to select exactly which label you would like Foxtrot to go to. So we'll go to this label in order to restart the loop. When we click play, Foxtrot will navigate through our script. And when the go to label action is hit, you will see the navigation arrow go up to step number 5. Foxtrot lets us know that our expression could not be evaluated. Because what happens is our label will go to a position where our workbook is not open. So we take that label and relocate it to the bottom of our script. And when we click play, Foxtrot will navigate. And when the go to label action is hit, Foxtrot will bring our task or will bring our function to the very end of our script. If we were to take our label and move it to the top of our script, Foxtrot would then go to label to the position where it would continue to run